Hey food lovers, have you ever had a dish that is just feels like a warm hug on a rainy day, but with a spicy kick? That irresistible aroma that fills the kitchen, a symphony of freshly crushed black pepper, aromatic curry leaves, and succulent chicken. Today we are going to take you on a culinary journey to the heart of South India with a classic that's deceptively simple yet packed with mind-blowing flavor. That's pepper chicken dry fry. Get ready to discover a recipe that's so easy, so delicious, it'll make you feel like a master chef.
The ingredients required to make this pepper chicken are a 3 inches of ginger, 2 whole garlic pods, 4 to 5 strands of curry leaves, 6 red chilies, 2.5 tablespoons of peppercorns, 4 tablespoons of white vinegar, a 1 kg of chicken, oil 4 to 5 tablespoons, ghee 1 tablespoon, salt as per taste. And now let's see how to make this. Here I have taken a mixie jar. In this I am going to add this ginger and the whole garlic. I have kept something for the tampering. In goes the black peppercorns, and you need to grind this to a coarse powder. And here you go, you can see this has been coarsely grinded. Look, it should be like this. So let's keep this aside. Look, here I have taken 1 kg of chicken which is nicely been washed 2 or 3 times. This is a 1 kg of chicken. For this we'll add the grind paste, add everything. And in goes the white vinegar. This is nearly a 4 tablespoons. If you want more sourness now, you need to add this. But let me tell you, don't replace this with the lemon. No, this is strictly goes with the vinegar. And in goes salt as per taste. And give this a nice mix. And remember one thing, you don't need to marinate this. You can use this immediately. Just mix everything once. Look here, this is perfect. Let's keep this aside and let's see how to fry. Look here, I have kept an iron kadai. The most important trick in this recipe is take a heavy bottomed pan or vessel. If you don't have anything now, you just use a cooker pan. Even that will give you a nice result. Our best is the iron kadai. In this I will add nearly 4 tablespoons of oil. Be generous with it. A 1 tablespoon of ghee. In goes the garlic. In goes the red chilies. And add the entire marinated chicken in this and keep mixing it. I will close the lid and allow this to cook for about 20 minutes on a low to medium heat. And make sure in between you keep mixing this now and then so that it doesn't stick to the bottom and burn. Look, it's been nearly 15 minutes. Now we'll open the lid. In between I have kept mixing this 1 or 2 times, and look how beautiful this is. It has been perfectly been cooked. The main thing is you should keep scraping the bottom and keep mixing this. So then only it will get a nice taste and the flavor. Look, I didn't add a bit of water to this even though the chicken is cooked perfectly. So it needs to cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. So we'll close the lid and allow this to cook for about another 3. Now look, it's been nearly 3 minutes. Let's open this out. It's too good. And give it a nice mix. Look how beautiful this has been turned out. It is this simple.
And there you have it, my friends. The pepper chicken dry fry isn't just a dish, it's a sensory experience. Each bite delivers that perfect pop of heat from the fresh pepper, followed by the savory, juicy tenderness of the chicken. The spices cling to every morsel, creating a complex, layered flavor that's both bold and comforting. It's the perfect companion for a simple bowl of rice or warm roti, or even a standalone appetizer. That's will steal the show. If you have enjoyed this flavorful journey with me, hit that like button, share this video with someone who'll enjoy this flavorful journey, who love good spicy fry. Then tell me in the comments below what's your favorite way to enjoy this pepper chicken. I can't wait to see you in another creation. Till then, this is Deepak Kshatriya signing off on Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka, Namaskar.